there's an initial investment.
Oh, yeah.
You've got your licenses. You've got to be trained.
Yep.
You mentioned property, flood. You mentioned auto. We haven't even talked about auto. So what else is there? You talked about an estimating program. Do I have to pay for that as well?
Yeah, I think that's one of the concerns right now is technology is changing. The old school way was on pad and paper, going through there, measuring a house, doing it. Times have changed. Now it's a technological error. So now you've got your computer out there with the estimating software. You've got the iPad out there with the estimating software. You've got digital cameras, but the iPad and your digital camera can use as one. You've got software that can be applied to all those devices, and you can use those out in the field. And then you got to find out which software the IA firm's using. CNC, we use Xactimate, and we use that whole suite. So it's very easy because all the programs are within that one package. And then it's just learning that. You got to be willing to adapt, though, because, again, times are changing. From last year to this year, times have changed. It's now easier to use that software, training, going through that stuff. But you got to be willing to invest the time and, again, the money to do the training correctly.